And now we explain the charging equalization method. Turn the DC switch of the power supply to the direction of the black stud, and the black stud cable is connected to the right stud of the instrument. The positive pole of the power supply is connected to the end of all strings, which is the 30-second clip in this video, and the two wire clips are clamped at one point. And then we adjust the voltage of the power supply. For example, I want to charge each string to 3.7 volt. Click the parameter setting. Start the equalization voltage and set it to the lowest value of all strings. Check the lowest value, 3.648 now, so we input 3.648 and then confirm. Now, as we want to charge each string to 3.7 volt, so we set the balance voltage, charging over voltage protection, and charging over voltage recovery value at 3.7. When all setting is done, confirm and back to the main menu. Now we adjust the voltage of the power supply. For example, we want to charge all cells to 3.7 volt. And we have 32 strings of cells. 3.7 multiplied by 32 equals 118.4. The voltage can be set a little higher, so we can set 119 volt in this case. Voltage can be a little higher, but not too low. Now rotate the current knob in the left to the end. When the voltage decreases, rotate back one circle. Open the DC switch in the back. And now we can set the current. 5 amps better, not too large. When there's voltage difference, balancing will automatically start. When the voltage difference disappears, it will automatically stop.